Okay folks, and I got another trout. Look at the size of this one. He's 15 inches. Beautiful trout. Beautiful, beautiful trout. I am still at an undisclosed location somewhere either in Ohio or Pennsylvania. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and let him go. He snapped my line as I got him right down there. Let's go ahead and let him go. Come here, buddy. Okay, you ready to go back? You ready to go back there, buddy? Anyway, they're hitting right over there. So, other than that, oh, there he is, folks. I forgot, sorry, my camera went out. Anyway, there he is being released. Look at how beautiful of a fish he is. Rainbow trout, putting him back. And there he goes. Again, I'm at an undisclosed location. I really don't want to give this spot out. But I am about 25 to 30 miles out from Warren, Youngstown. So if you want to know where this is at, email me. I will share some of my close YouTube friends. I'm catching trout left and right over there, so I'll be back. All right, here's our next victim, or contestant that is. 26 and a half. All right. Folks, I got a giant carp at Packard Park pond coming in, and I got a bass that I got on a kernel of corn sitting right there. Hold on. This is gonna be something else. I hate to put you guys down there. He is big. I've been working on him for the last 10 minutes and I can't get him in. This carp is huge. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh my gosh. He's coming in. I'm at Packard Park. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. I can't get him in, he's just too big. Oh my goodness. This is the first carp I ever got at a Packard Park pond. There he is. You can see him. Oh my gosh, is he big. And we got that smallmouth bass. Oh no, you don't. Get over here. Oh, he's big. And he's right there. I'm trying to get him in. He still wants to keep going. Sorry about the camera work, folks. I don't have a choice. Here he comes. Look at that, something jumped out there. This is a massive carp. There he is. Oh, no you don't. Here you guys go. Whoa. He's coming in. Anyway, I got this smallmouth bass on a kernel of corn, and I'll show you guys that in a second. These both hit at the same time. And I know it sucks having them out of the water. Oh my goodness, this carp is big. I still can't get him in. There he is. God almighty, he's going back. Here he comes. Oh, he won't give up. Ow. Oh, no, you don't. Come here. Oh. I'm just using corn. Give you guys another pan of them. There he goes. Oh, no, you don't. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on. Let's go. Here he comes. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's making a run for it again. Oh, come on. Come here. Here he is. He's going back out again. There he is. This is the first carp I ever caught at Packard Park Pond, ever. There he is. There he is. Okay, folks, I gotta land him, and I don't have a net, so I'm gonna have to bring him probably somewhere down there. So I'll be right back, and plus I got a bass over there. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Okay, I got this smallmouth on just a kernel of corn. You can see the hook right here. One kernel of corn, I threw it in, and I got this bass, but sorry for the camera thing here, folks, but I've actually never caught a bass out of here. And I've also got a big carp coming over here. Just get this out. Oh my gosh, he's got this in there really good. There we go. And the bass, I sure hope, oh, I feel bad. He is 15 inches. There he is, 15 inches. And I got him on a kernel, just one kernel corn and a size 6 hook. There's the carp, what I just got now. Let's go ahead and take a pic of him here. I'm gonna take one more of them here. Just a second, folks. Gosh almighty, can't believe this here. Okay, all right, that one is done. Okay, folks, go ahead and put him back. Again, all I was using was just kernels of corn, one kernel of corn and a size 6 hook. Got this 15-inch smallmouth bass. So we're gonna go ahead and put him back in. Thank you, oh Lord God. Okay. Yeah, he was out for a while. I had no choice. I got this giant carp, and it took me about 20 minutes to get him in from over there, but it is what it is. Anyway, let's see what the carp is. Okay, this carp is 28. Oh, let's see here. Hold on a second here. No, 27. No, he's 28. 28 inches. Let me go ahead and take him off the hook here. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Again, 28-inch carp. One second here, just snapping a shot of him. This thing is heavy. All right. Dang, I still didn't get it. Hold on. Then one more of a headshot. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put him back after this one. Okay, sorry about the delay. All right, there he is, 28 inches. Put him back. There goes the carp and the bass. He'll make it. Again, I just got him on a kernel of corn. He's still with us. Come on. I feel bad because there was nothing I could do about that bass. I had a carp on the line at the same time. So, well, let's see what happens. I'll come back later. Folks, it's River Monster Mike, and look what I got. Little trout, little baby trout, little rainbow. Got him out there. I'm at an undisclosed location here, which after the power plant I'm not going to reveal, but this just made my day. I finally got a trout. I got him on maggots and my Walmart specialty poles, and I know I'm keeping him out too long out of the water net, so I'll be back. Oh, praise God. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. This is for taking a picture, and I got a trout. I actually got one. Praise God this morning. Got him on a maggot. And we're going to go ahead and put him back in. There he is. Okay. And there's our third one. Roughly about 19, 20, somewhere around there. Maggot, bobber. I'm going to go ahead and put him back here. Just want to record him. There he is. What I do is I can take still shots and everything. Alright. It's an 8-inch bluegill here at Mosquito Lake. One of the biggest bluegills I ever got. I'm gonna put him back. Good, buddy. And there he goes. And I got a little baby trout. Baby rainbow. I'm gonna go ahead and take him off the hook. I'll be right back.